Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2014 Fiat 500e. It's an electric vehicle, not very common on the East Coast. It runs on pure battery power, about 80 miles to a full charge. We went ahead and changed the stereo on this vehicle. I'd like to show you what we did. So Fiat 500s are generally a unique installation for us altogether because the air vents are built into the top of the stereo, not the sides like you see here. Now they're relocated to the sides of the dash. We put in a 7-inch touchscreen, and what we did was we integrated the factory steering wheel controls for volume and stations, as well as we also integrated some vehicle diagnostic information. So we have tire pressure, door ajar, we can read and reset check engine light codes, as well as some vehicle voltage information. The radio itself has built-in Apple CarPlay, built-in Android Auto, and that works wirelessly. You can also drag and drop these little wikis all around the screen, which is super cool. So you can change the layout to whatever your desire is. And then you can also add a reverse camera. So when you put the car in reverse, and yes, it is a push button on this vehicle, the screen will go ahead and change, and I'll show you what's behind you. Again, this was done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.